Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Tap the Settings app on your Xiaomi device to begin. Scroll until you find Additional Settings and tap it to continue. Now tap Languages and Input to open Input Controls. You will see Default Keyboard listed near the top of the screen. Tap Default Keyboard to reveal installed keyboards such as Gboard or Xiaomi Keyboard. This step ensures you adjust the keyboard actually active on your phone. Keep your device unlocked and at least 3 minutes free for these steps. After selecting the active keyboard, tap its name to open its preferences. Look through the settings list for text correction or predictive text options. These settings are commonly under typing or suggestions sections. When you find predictive text, you will see a toggle switch on the right. Tap the toggle once to disable predictive suggestions immediately. If using Gboard, disable Show Suggestion Strip to remove predictions and suggestions. Return to your home screen when you finish adjusting keyboard preferences. To confirm changes, open any messaging or notes app and tap a text field. If suggestions no longer appear, predictive text is disabled successfully. If predictions still appear, return to keyboard settings and clear keyboard data or cache to reset preferences. Another step is to restart the phone and check again after reboot. To restore suggestions later, return to the same predictive text toggle and switch it on. This completes the process for turning off predictive text on Xiaomi devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.